Friends, in this video, we will learn how to make your kids learn to read English book. Now let's start. Kushagra, start reading the book.
This is a horse. Where do horses live? Stable, stable,
Shed.
shed. Shed? No. Stable? Yes.
Very good.
This is a hen. Where do hens live? Stay?
Sty.
No. Sty? No. Cop?
Cook.
Coop? Yes. This is a dog. Where do dogs live? Kennel? Yes. Or tree? No. This is a bird. Where do birds live? Web? No. Nest? Yes.
Very good. So this was a very small video, and in this way you can help your kids to learn English book. I hope you will really have enjoyed this video, and if you really like this, then don't forget to give a like thumb and also share it. Thank you for watching this video.